Today we're creating a Halloween invite using the Themes tool. Let's get some inspiration and find a template to work with. Let's go with this one. I really like the font layout, but I want to remove the image. To do this, simply select it directly from your canvas and using your keyboard, click Delete. Now that we have a blank canvas, let's figure out where everything should go. First, head to your graphics palette. Here we're going to select two rectangle shapes. Let's divide the canvas into two. Now it's time to upload an image. You can do this by either going to Graphics or Textures and selecting Add Your Own. Let's see the text. Selecting the shape on your Layers palette, bring it all the way down so it sits underneath everything else. Add some colour to the other shape. Use your colour picker and select a shade from the image. This is a great way to find a complementing colour. Now for the fun part. Head to the apple. This is where our themes section lives. Here you'll find a variety of curated options including text, graphics and textures. Let's go with vampires. Selecting the red square, let's add some texture. Once you've selected your favourite, play with the saturation, fade and size. Let's add some spooky fonts. Make the text stand out by pairing it with a subtle font. And remember, you can always upload one of your own. It's time to get creative. Using the Monster Morph tool, select Melt and go a little crazy. Zoom in for perfection. Use the Erase tool to define your effects. These effects can work anywhere, including text. Add some evil eyes. The eraser tool will bring everything together. Don't forget the blood. Use the blend modes for a deeper hue. Zoom in and tidy up the edges using the Erase tool. And of course, add more blood. Selecting the blood spill effect, reduce the size of your brush and add some dimension. Play around with the hardness and strength. Finish up with a blood splatter, keeping it consistent by selecting the same blend mode. And finally, frighten your guests by adding the macabre tarnish effect. Happy Halloween!